Hello, this training video will focus on the customer portal and specifically how to generate a rate quote. When you first log into the customer portal, you're brought to the customer dashboard. To create a quote, select Start a New Order at the top right of the screen. This will take you to the three-step booking process. Now, the quoting portion is right on the first page here, and that's what we're going to focus on in this training video. To generate a quote, simply enter an origin and destination zip code along with some commodity information. Now, you can enter a zip code manually, or if you hover or move your cursor into the company name field, you can select from your address book. Once you enter an origin and destination zip code, go ahead and fill out the commodity information section. Above the commodity information section, though, is the accessorial section, so please select an accessorial if one is required for the shipment. So for the commodity information, I'm going to do one pallet, one piece, 500 pounds, and description, I'm just going to put items. Now, if you don't know the class of the shipment, if you enter the length, width, and height, it'll actually calculate the class based on the dimensions and the weight. You'll see a link to use the estimated class right here, and if you click on that, it'll populate the class field with the estimated class. Or you can, of course, manually change it if you feel it's not the correct class. Now, from here, you can click on Add Line Item to add another commodity line, or if this is the commodity that you might be shipping in the future, you can click on Add Favorites, and this will save it to your address book. Okay. So after you enter the origin and destination zip code, the commodity information, now you're ready to generate a rate. So to do that, we're going to click on Generate Smart Quote. As soon as I select Generate Smart Quote, it's going to give me all of the rate options for this particular movement. Okay. So here are the options here. You're going to notice that it gives you the carrier logo, transit time, liability coverage, the rate, fuel surcharge, accessorials, and then the total. Now, at this point, you have two options. You can save the quote or click Select to go on with the booking process. For this example, we're just going to go ahead and save this as a quote. So I'm going to select Save Quote, and what it does is it's going to save this quote and then put it in your quote history section. So as soon as it's done saving, it's going to refresh and take us to the quote history, and now you're going to see the quote at the top of the screen here. Now, to get back into the quote, you can just go into your quote history like we are here, click on the shipment ID number, and in the shipment information profile page, there's a book shipment option at the top. You're only going to see this book shipment in quotes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on book shipment. That's going to take me back to step one. It's going to have my origin, my destination listed, as well as my commodity information. Now I can go ahead and click on Generate Smart Quote and continue with the booking process. So that's how you generate a quote in our system in the customer portal. Please view the next training video on how to actually book the shipment. Thank you.